What's up guys? This time I'm gonna be showing you what's the difference between bus and X. So as you can see, when you deliver bus from Abiyata position, one, on this position, you twist your hand and deliver the second strike. One, and then you retract and then strike again. So 1, 2, that is bus. And then the X, 1 from abierta to cerrada, 2 from abierta to cerrada. The X, 1, 2, X, 1, 2, bus, 1, 2. So from X, 1, 2, and bus, 1, 2.